Hi guys, how's it going? This is the kitchen with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. It's pretty cloudy outside. I'm at my youngest son's school. This is back to school day one for him. And anyways, for today's recipe, before leaving for school, picking him up, I marinated chicken, and this is another Indonesian chicken, ayam bakar, grilled chicken, but this time I'm gonna, because it's pretty cloudy and most likely it's gonna cold, it's a bit chilly to do barbecue outside, so I'm gonna do it in air fryer. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon each of chicken bouillon powder, garlic, onion, and Greek seasoning. We're just gonna mix this. Now this is 1 fresh lime, fresh juice squeezed from 1 lime, and also grate the lime peel. Then add in 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and 4 tablespoons of water. Mix this again before we add in our chicken. Then add in 1.5 kilogram of chicken drumstick. We just want to coat and marinate before we air fry them for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. I make incision or a slice all over the chicken, the drumstick, so that the marinade goes inside the meat nicely. Cover with cling wrap. Now preheat your air fryer. With bones, it's 400 degrees. So we're gonna put it up to 400 degrees, and we're just gonna warm it for now for 5 minutes. Before we put in our chicken. Opa. So we're gonna air fry this preheated 400 Fahrenheit on air fryer for 30 minutes until cooked through. Bon appetit!